In this video, I'll help you fix the black screen problem on your Sharp Roku TV. Now keep in mind, this troubleshooting applies only if the issue is caused by minor glitches or temporary faults. If your TV has a hardware-related problem, like a damaged backlight or mainboard, you'll likely need help from a professional TV repair technician. So, let's start with the simple fixes first. First solution: power cycle the TV. First, turn your TV off and unplug it from the wall socket. Now, find the power button. It could be on the back or underneath the front panel. If you find it, press and hold it for 30 seconds, then, wait a full minute before plugging your TV back in. If your TV doesn't have a physical power button, simply wait for 1 minute before reconnecting the power. Second solution: reset the remote. Next, grab your remote control, remove the batteries from the back, flip it over and press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Once you're done, reinsert the batteries, or better yet, use a new set just in case the old ones were weak. Sometimes, this alone can bring your TV back to life. Third solution: check HDMI connections. If it's still showing a black screen, check the HDMI setup. Go to the back of your TV and unplug the HDMI cable. If you're using an extension or adapter, remove it too. Those often fail over time. Try plugging your device directly into the TV, or replace the HDMI cable with a new one. Also, test a different HDMI port to make sure it's not a faulty input. Hopefully, one of these steps helped fix your Sharp Roku TV's black screen issue. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and share any other tips you found helpful in the